Good morning, everyone. Today, our topic is integration by parts. In this integration by parts, we have the product of two functions and we have to integrate. In the differentiation, we have seen the differentiate of product of two functions, f of x and gx. In this product of two functions, we can take this one is as a first function and this one is as a second function. Then what is the rule? Rule is differentiate of first function, second function as it is, plus first function as it is, differentiate of second function. Now, what is the rule for integration? We have the product of two functions u, v, where u and v are the function of x. Here we are taking u as a first function, v as a second function. First function as it is, integration of second function minus integration bracket differentiation of first function integration of second function bracket close, this dx for this integration and this dx for this integration. Now, here we have to choose first function and second function. Which one is first function? Which is the one is the second function? Because if we don't know about the integral of the function, we cannot choose this one is a second function. सेकेंड फंक्शन उसी को चूज करना है जिसका इंटीग्रल हमें मालूम है, पर उसके लिए भी एक रूल होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द रूल? दैट रूल इज कॉल्ड आइलेट रूल. दैट रूल इज आइलेट रूल. व्हाट इज आइलेट रूल? आई इज इनवर्स, एल फॉर लॉग, ए फॉर एल्जेब्रिक, T for trigonometry and E for exponential. Right? And we have to follow the rule from left to right. That means which function is left side we take as a first function, which function is on the right side we take as a second function. Suppose in our product u and v, those two functions, inverse function and algebraic function. Therefore, inverse function will take as a first function, algebraic function as a second function. Okay, and do you know about the algebraic function? For example, 4x cube plus 3x square. It is a algebraic function. Okay, we can understand this rule with the help of example. Suppose we have question x square cos x dx. Here trigonometry is right side, algebraic in left side. Therefore, we have to take algebraic as a first function, trigonometry as a second function. Now, first function is as it is, integration of second function minus integration bracket differentiation of first function integration of second function dx. Okay, now x square, what is the integration of cos x? This is sin x minus integral differentiation of x square 2x and integration of cos x sin x, and this one is dx. Right? 2 is a constant we can take from the taken out from the integral. X square sin x minus 2x sin x dx. Right? Here we have to again apply the product rule. Integration by parts. This is trigonometric, this is algebraic. Here x will work as a first function, sin x is a second function. Now x square sin x minus 2 bracket first function as it is, integration of second function minus integration bracket differentiation of first function integration sin x dx bracket close dx and this bracket close is here. Right? First function integration of second function minus differentiation of first function integral के अंदर and integration of second function x square sin x minus 2x. What is the integral of sin x? It is minus cos x minus integral differentiation of x is 1, integration of sin x is minus cos x, this one is dx bracket close. Okay, now x square sin x minus 2 multiply within the bracket we get minus minus plus 2x cos x minus minus plus minus 2 integration cos x dx. Now we get x square sin x plus 2x cos x minus 2 integration of cos x is sin x plus c. What is c? We know very well. We have done many questions. C is the constant of integration. Before integral by parts, we have done integrals and we have seen C is the constant of integration. Now again we will take one example from which we can understand better which one is the first function and which one is the second function. Okay, यहाँ तक तो clear? Up to it is clear? Now we have suppose x square log x dx. We have seen islet logarithm is left side and algebraic is right side. Therefore log x is first function, x square is the second function. Now we can write like in this way, log x square dx. We write because we can easily apply, let this one is first function and this one is second function. There will be no confusion. Okay. Now first function is as it is, integration of second function minus integration bracket differentiation of first function integration of second function and dx. Right? First function, second function. First function is as it is, integration of second minus differentiable of first integration of second और पूरे का integration. Right? Now log x, what is the integration of x square? X cube by 3 minus integration log x का differentiable 1 by x and integration is x cube by 3 dx. Okay, this x is cancel out x cube, we get x square. 1 by 3 is common out. Log x, we can write out 1 by 3 x cube log x minus 1 by 3 is common out, x square dx. 1 by 3 x cube log x minus 1 by 3 x cube by 3 plus c, where c is constant of integration. Therefore, we can write 1 by 3 x cube log x minus 1 by 9 x cube plus c. Right? Now, in these two examples, we understand which one is the first function and which one is the second function. Thank you.